Hands here. And one. Chop it as a class. Ready? And hold. Two. Ready? Yeah. Balik. Ready? And three. Shots up. Last. Ready? And four. Good chop. One. Last. Five. Got na. Very good. Six. Very good. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. What are we up? This time, hold your punch. Hold your punch. 3 punches in 1 count. Ha! Shout only sa third punch. Ready? And 1. One straight up. Ready? And hold your punch. Ready? 2. Huwag isa. Huwag isa. Kanta ka. Ready? Tulong ako. Ready? And 3. 3. Ready? And 4. Good. Ready? Stand up straight. Okay, wait for my count. 5. Good. Stand up straight. 6. Stand up straight. Ready? Ready? 7. Cut na. Very good. 8. Chop. 9. 10. Very good. Tapos, double punch. Ready? And practice. 1. Tapos sa last punch. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 3 punches. Ready? 1. Very good. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Nice one. Let's jump. Okay. I will give you assignment. Okay. I will teach you a new block. It's called low block. Okay. This is low block. Okay. See, step by step. Okay. Hands here. Okay. Right hand first. 1, 2. This is the counting, huh? Then 3 in front. This aside in front. And 4. Ready? Balik. 1. Bring your 2, 3, and 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2. Good. Ready? One, 2, 3, 4. Good. Pick us. Ready? Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganda. Okay? 1,